Planning a move can be stressful, but with the right full-service movers in Fresno, your move can be affordable and hassle-free. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about finding cheap full-service moving companies in Fresno, California. Full-service moving is a great option if you want to save time and avoid the hassle of doing it all yourself. Fresno has many reputable movers offering quality services at budget-friendly rates. Full service means professionals handle everything, from packing and loading to transporting and unpacking your items. So what's the cost? In Fresno, the cost of hiring movers depends on the size of your home and the distance of the move. For a small apartment, you can expect to pay around $200. For a medium-sized home, it's closer to $400, and for a large home, about $600. Moving costs can also vary depending on the time of year. If you're moving during the off-season, typically mid-fall to mid-spring, you can save money. However, moving during peak season, from late spring to early fall, often comes with higher rates. Fresno's full-service moving companies can help make your move stress-free by offering additional services like packing, storage, and transportation. Whether you need same-day movers or long-term storage, they have you covered. Same-day moving services are also available in Fresno for those who need fast and efficient solutions. Movers will handle the heavy lifting, provide packing supplies, and ensure your items are stored safely until you're ready to move. When choosing a moving company, it's essential to consider a few key factors. First, get multiple quotes to compare prices and services. Second, check for additional fees like packing or storage charges. Finally, ask questions to ensure you're getting the best deal. Fresno movers also provide professional corporate moving services, helping businesses relocate smoothly. Whether it's moving a small office or an entire building, professional movers will ensure everything arrives safely and on time. Ready to get started? Contact your local full-service movers in Fresno for a free quote. Whether you're moving locally or long distance, a professional moving company will make your move seamless and stress-free. For affordable, full-service moving solutions in Fresno, look no further. Let the professionals handle your move while you sit back and relax.